Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure iPhone location access is active and WhatsApp can use it. Open Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. Set WhatsApp to while using the app or always if you plan long sharing. Then open WhatsApp and tap the chat of the person or group you want to share with. Once done, tap the plus button next to the message box to begin the live location flow. This gets you into the actual sharing controls fast and avoids extra steps. Now tap the plus icon, choose location, and pick Share Live Location, not Send Current Location. You'll see duration options, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Select the one that matches your needs. You can type a short message to explain why you're sharing. Make sure background app refresh is enabled so location updates continue. If you need continuous updates beyond a short trip, pick a longer duration. Finally, press Send. WhatsApp begins broadcasting your live position in the chat in real time. To finish, open the chat and tap Stop Sharing when you no longer want to broadcast your movement. If location updates look stale, make sure background app refresh is enabled and cellular or Wi-Fi is active. Poor connectivity stops live updates. Also confirm WhatsApp still has location permission. If problems continue, force close WhatsApp and reopen it, or toggle location services off and on in settings. These steps resolve most issues, and you can resume sharing once the connection and permissions are fixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.